Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious deviled eggs using only 3 ingredients. Stay tuned. Next, you have to put the eggs into the pot, but make sure that it's not fully covered, but mostly covered. We're doing 6 eggs. Actually, not 6, it'd be 7 eggs. 1 second. 6. Half brown and 3 white. I put the timer on for 6 minutes, so that way that when it does boil, we have 6 minutes for it to boil, so we know that it's going to be firm enough to do the eggs. Now that the eggs are boiling, we are going to take it off the heat, and we're going to put cold water in it to stop the cooking process. We're going to take the water, the hot water, out of the pot, and then we're going to put cold water in. Now we're going to put cold water in to stop the cooking process. We're going to put cold water into the pot. Once you have the cold water into the pot, it'll stop the cooking process, and it'll also be easier for you to peel the eggs. So now that our eggs are cooled down with the cold water, it's a lot easier to take the shell off the egg. See how much easier it is. Next, we cut the egg right in half. Look how perfect that is. And then we pop it into the bowl. You can use a spoon if you're having difficulty, but it's coming out so easy, so you don't really need it. So there you go. Next, we take a fork and we start to swish the eggs until it goes into a powder. Next, we use Miracle Whip, and we use 2 tablespoons of Miracle Whip for 14 slices of eggs. Then we mix the Miracle Whip with the eggs. Okay, next, we make sure that the batter is nice and fluffy, and then we take the scoop of batter and we put it into our eggs, like so. Okay. Next, we're going to put some paprika on these eggs.